Look here, what is it? What is this department? Medulla oblongata, here it is pons, and above of them, cerebellum. Cerebellum consists of two hemispheres, hemispheria cerebelli, right and left, that is, left and right hemisphere, and they are paired, and unpaired structure between them, that is vermis. Here it is vermis. It is unpaired structure which is situated between, that is part of vermis. Here it is unpaired structure which is situated between hemisphere. Hemisphere of cerebelli has a lot of fissures, fissura cerebelli, and these fissures separate folia cerebelli on the surface of cerebellum. Folia cerebelli. Deepest fissure, fissura, deepest fissure, fissura horizontalis cerebelli, that is, divides or separates cerebellum into dorsal and ventral parts. And also necessary to know, small part of cerebellum, look here, what is it? What is it? Help. Medial peduncles, because that is pons. Here it is medulla oblongata, here it is pons, and here it is medial peduncle, pedunculus cerebellaris medius. And in angle between medial peduncle of cerebellum and medulla oblongata, here it is, you can see isolated part of cerebellum. Name of this small part of cerebellum, flocculus, flocculus, flocculus. And this flocculus joined together with nodulus, impossible to see but necessary to know. Flocculus and nodulus together formed floccular nodular system. Floccular nodular system. This system, together with nucleus fascigii, that is gray matter inside of cerebellum, with nucleus fascigii, formed oldest part of cerebellum, archicerebellum, and participate in balance. One again, oldest part, that is flocculus, together with nodulus and nucleus fascigii, and they are archicerebellum, participate in balance. Next, vermis. Vermis, together with two nuclei, nucleus globosus and nucleus emboliformis. They are old part of cerebellum. First was oldest, here it is old part, paleocerebellum. And these structures participate in movements of the trunk and neck. And last, hemisphere of cerebellum, hemisphere, together with nucleus dentatus. They are new part of cerebellum, neocerebellum. New part of cerebellum is neocerebellum. And neocerebellum participate in movements of extremity. Now, three pairs of peduncles. Today you know which peduncles of cerebellum? Inferior and middle. And also we have superior peduncles. Here it is pedunculi cerebellaris inferior. They start from medulla oblongata. Now, here it is pedunculi cerebellaris medius, start from pons, and last peduncle is upper pedunculus cerebellaris superior. Superior peduncles start from isthmus, isthmus rhombencephaly. Isthmus rhombencephaly consists of superior peduncles of cerebellum. Between these superior peduncles we have white matter, and name of this white matter, valim medullare superior. And also impossible to see, I try to draw. Okay, that is superior caliculus of midbrain. That is midbrain. Superior, and here it is inferior caliculus of midbrain. From inferior caliculus start brachium of inferior caliculus. Here it is brachium caliculi inferioris. Here and here. Brachium caliculi inferioris. Here it is superior peduncles of cerebellum, left, and here it is superior peduncles, right. Go to cerebellum. Between superior peduncles we have white matter, that is valim medullary superior. And below, here it is peduncles of the brain, pudunculi cerebri. Here it is pudunculi cerebri. And here it is also pudunculi cerebri. And we receive triangle. Name of this triangle, trigonum lemnisci. Trigonum lemnisci. Why it has so name? Because lateral lemniscus, lemniscus lateralis, that is auditory fibers. Auditory conduct feeling of hearing, that is auditory impulses. Lemniscus lateralis pass in this triangle, and again borders of this triangle. Anterior border, that is brachium of inferior caliculus. Posterior border, that is superior peduncles of cerebellum. And lower border, that is peduncles of the brain, pudunculi cerebri. Trigonum lemnisci, superior peduncles, and valim medullary superior together, all of this structure formed isthmus. Isthmus rhombincephaly. Isthmus rhombincephaly. And again, isthmus consists of triangle trigonum lemnisci, superior peduncles of cerebellum, and superior cerebral valim, valim medullary superior. And last moment, what pass in peduncles? Today we know 3 pairs of peduncles: superior peduncles, middle, and inferior. Today you know what pass in middle peduncles. What is it? What is the name of tract in middle peduncles? Tractus ponta cerebellaris. Also, you know some structures in inferior peduncles. For example, which tract do you know in inferior peduncles? Today you read it. Do you remember aliva joined with the cerebellum with the help of tractus? No? Aliva cerebellaris. Tractus aliva cerebellaris. Next, well, take your places and write this information at your copybooks, please.